I'd say the biggest thing I've learned from this project would be, first of all, I'd never worked with a construction manager before on several of the other projects I'd been involved with. So having an opportunity to work with Estes and working with Estes in the capacity of your organization being our construction manager has been very positive for us. There are just insights you bring to the table that there's just no way, given my own resources, I would have had that information, which allowed us to make many of what I believe are good decisions that we've made through this process.
Because the ICAT services all include also includes a designer selection, which is something you guys already had in place, but it's something that we
Yeah, and I think Mr. Parker hit on it too. I think it's really important that school districts understand what they're engaging in. It doesn't matter what aspect of the process you're going through, a construction manager, a facility study, a community survey, an architect, all of those decisions, they're all critically important pieces and partners as you begin the process.
Another thing I've been very impressed with would be the coordination between Estes and Bray. When your construction manager and the architectural firm are working together on planning and occasionally problem solving some of the things, I think it's really given us some quality options, and we've been very appreciative of that.
Yeah, and I think there's often this perception that construction managers and architects are just going to butt heads the whole time. And there should be some constructive butting of heads throughout the process, because we're both working on behalf of the school district and really the community who's making this large investment. And so as long as that's done constructively, we don't just automatically listen to it must be product A. We're going to challenge that if we don't agree. But you also are doing the same thing. You're bringing ideas forward, challenging the design to try to find an economical way to still achieve the district's goal. And when you have that trust in not only the personal relationships on both sides, the construction manager, the owner team, the architectural team, but the willingness to have a tough conversation, that's when projects are successful. And
I think a strong team, one of the characteristics of a strong team is being able to express opinions on what's the best way to get things done, and hopefully there are some different opinions, so you end up with a better end result, and then ultimately reaching consensus and moving forward. And I think to this point we've been very successful with that, and I suspect we'll continue to be successful with that.